Hi guys, welcome to lesson 3, the relationship of multiplication and addition. So today you will build and clarify the relationship of multiplication and addition by evaluating identities such as 3 times g being the same as g plus g plus g. So please write this in your workbook and pause if you need to. Today on page S6, okay, you're going to write 2 different expressions that can be depicted by the tape diagram shown. One expression should include addition while the other should include multiplication. So you can pause this video right now and write that. So addition would look like this: 3 plus 3 plus 3. Multiplication should look like this: 3 times 3, right? So you have 3 groups of 3. And that can be represented as 3 plus 3 plus 3 or 3 times 3. And that is the basic premise of this whole lesson, really. So write 2 different expressions that can be depicted again by this tape diagram, and then one in addition, one in multiplication. So you can pause this to write that. Yes, addition would look like 8 plus what? Okay, you have 8 boxes. And multiplication would look like 8 times what? Please make sure that you answer this in your workbook. Okay, now your opening exercise is, again, you have your tape diagram, still on page S6. Write down addition. Okay, these are your blanks. Right. What addition expression can you write down to show these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes? So you have 5 boxes and 3 sets of that. And what does a multiplication problem look like? Pause this video to answer that question. Now, so we're going to draw, this is discussion, so you don't really have anything in your worksheets, and you can just listen here and take notes. Pause if you need to. So draw a tape diagram to represent the expression 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. So you have 4 sets of 2, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now draw a tape diagram to represent the expression 4 times 2. So you have 4 groups of 2. And there's, 2 groups of 4. So there's 4 boxes, and there's another 4 boxes, and there you have 2 groups of 4. Using variables, write an equation to show the relationship of multiplication and addition for the expression 3g. So note here, 3g is the same as 3 times g. We no longer use x because it looks the x for the multiplication sign, because it looks like a variable and it can be confusing. And we've talked about this in our other lessons. So here we have g. Now let's say that g looks like this, and we have 1, 2, 3. That looks like g plus g plus g. Okay, so the equation 3 times g is the same as g plus g plus g. Okay, this is an identity because we can replace g with any number, and the equation will always be true. So if I were to put in 2, so 3 times 2, right, you would have 2 plus 2 plus 2, and that would equal 6, which is the same as 3 times 2, which also equals 6. So your next steps for today. That's a short video, right? Exercises 1 to 5. You can work individually or in pairs to complete these exercises. When you are done, go get the exit ticket from the shelf. Problem set questions need to be answered. Well, actually, you don't have to do problem set questions for today. Okay, so conversation levels of 1, write your name on the board if you need help. You're working on lesson 3. I can tell you're participating because you are working on your exercises. All right, good job, guys. Until lesson 4, see ya.